Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone. Today, my partner and I will show you about British Studies course. In this course, we examine and review critically the history, government, politics, and culture, such as lifestyle, sports, and games in the Great Britain.
Hi everyone, let's move on to the 9 to 14 reading materials. The first about British education system, and this department is responsible for the education system in England. And this policy has been in effect since September 1st, 1997 by the FEE. Next, the British curriculum. The British curriculum is divided into blocks of years called Key Stage or KS.
Brexit, or acronym from phrase British Exit. British Exit means the Great Britain come out from the European Union organization. And the main reason why they are come out is they have the most powerful economy in the world, and their GDP or gross domestic product is better than another European countries.
UK holidays and special occasions. For example, during the holiday, the British people spend their holiday time visiting the seaside or in holiday camp, which is called traditional seaside vacation. In modern holidays, the British people usually spend their time on holidays away from home or going abroad. There are also several other special occasions in the UK at the time that are generally set there, such as Christmas evening and Christmas Day, New Year's evening and New Year's Day, Saint Valentine's Day, Saint Patrick's Day, Mother's Day, April Fool's Day, or etc.
Most British people are easygoing, kind-friendly, and helpful. The main types of house in Britain are detached, semi-detached, and terrace. The British normally have 3 meals a day: breakfast, lunch, and the dinner, and to the evening meal as tea or supper. The most popular sports in Britain are aerobic, football, jogging, cricket, golf, and etc. The British invented many modern games such as football, golf, badminton, tennis, and etc.
British healthcare system. In Britain, there's a state-funded system called the National Health Service. Healthcare in the UK is a devolved matter, or they have private system and publicly funded healthcare. Healthcare system in UK is one of the most efficient in the world. They are paid for with payroll taxes. In addition, any medication you get during a hospital visit is free, and the cost of most prescription drugs at pharmacy are cheap.
Finally, from all meeting materials, we can know how the state of the governments, politics, and lifestyle, and we can take all positive sides of them to apply in our daily life, such as healthy habits and sports. Then, I have suggestion for would-be viewers or learners that see this video. Although we are student of English literature or not a student, but learn about England, about their language, or the Great Britain from various aspects of life. We should not forget to keep knowing and learning about our own nationality, Indonesia. Okay everyone, thanks for attention. Don't forget to write your feedback in comment column and like this video if you like it. See you and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.